Crispy skin, slow cooker turkey. This is the easiest way to make the juiciest turkey without brining, marinating, or stressing about oven space. And if you want the full written recipe, I'm leaving a card right above this video, plus the link is waiting for you in the description. Start with 4 tablespoons of salted butter, then 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves, or dried if that's what you have, a pinch of salt and cracked pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic. This is going to melt right into the turkey while it cooks. Into the bottom of the slow cooker, add 2 heads of garlic, cut side down. We do this to infuse the turkey from underneath, and add 1 slice of lemon for a little brightness. Now the star, an 8 to 10 pound whole turkey. Rub that herb butter all over the turkey. Dry skin is the key to getting that beautiful crispy finish later. Once the turkey is coated, place it straight over the garlic and herbs in the slow cooker. Place the turkey in your slow cooker and cover it. Now, we'll cook it on high for about 4 hours, or on low for roughly 8 hours. This slow cooking ensures the turkey is incredibly tender and juicy. Now that our turkey is fall apart tender from the slow cooker, it's time to give it that beautiful crispy skin. Using the herb butter we saved earlier, spread it all over the top while the turkey is piping hot. Transfer the turkey under the broiler for about 10 minutes, or just until the skin turns beautifully golden and crispy. For the gravy, melt 1/4 cup butter. Whisk in 1/4 cup of flour to make a smooth roux. Then pour in some of the turkey juices from the slow cooker. This is where all the flavor lives. Simmer until thick and glossy. A pinch of salt and pepper if you need it, and finish with 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for depth. And that's it, the juiciest slow cooker turkey with the crispiest skin and a homemade gravy that tastes like you cooked all day. If you love this recipe, hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next, especially with the holidays around the corner.